In today's video, let's make over my master bedroom with my marketplace finds and decorate for Christmas.
You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay. All I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a DIY project. I'm giving my master bedroom a makeover with my Facebook Marketplace finds. I hope you enjoy.
Till he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new.
Guys, I absolutely love Facebook Marketplace. You can find the most wonderful decor there. I really love the French provincial look, and I was really excited when I found this chest of drawers and bedside tables on there. I decided to give a little makeover, guys, which I didn't film on camera, but these are the products that I used. Basically, I repainted it cream. Now, it was already a cream color, but it had gone quite yellow with its age, guys. And then I used the creme de la cream and added the waxing on top to give that two-tone effect. And I really love how it came.
Keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day.
Next up, I wanted to add a peel and stick wallpaper behind my bed. Now guys, I fell in love with this beautiful toil print. I'm really into the toil print at the moment, and I found this company on Instagram that had these beautiful toil peel and stick wallpapers.
Feel like Christmas every day.
Now guys, as you know, I have a big frame around my bed, and I wanted to give it the illusion of a big framed piece of art. Now, the wallpaper definitely inspired me, and I also wanted to add these decorative moldings that I recently found on Temu. Aren't they absolutely stunning?
Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve.
Now, I just thought they made the perfect additional touch to this frame.
I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget it.
So guys, do you ever have your dream bed pinned to your Pinterest board? Well, this bed was in my Pinterest, and oh my goodness guys, I was so excited when I found it on Marketplace. It was a 3-hour drive away, but my beautiful hubby took me there and we picked up this bed, and I'm so in love with it.
The deck get most, but something's missing. I wonder what this year. I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Santa, won't you forget about it, Santa? I won't forgive you for it, Santa. Won't you forget about it? Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing
can see you far and wide across the ocean, above the clouds. In your presence I am free. I hear your whisper through the wind. Here right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out who I am, and you were always there to lift me up. 'Cause no one else can make me love like you. You give me strength, Lord, I finally know where I belong.
Guys, I've never been more in love with my bedroom than I am right now. And I walk into this room and I just get that warm and cozy feel and vibe about it. And I've never been more happy. As you know, I've lived at Chelle's Glam Home for 8 years now. I have done so many DIY projects in this room and you've all watched me go through it. But with decorating, it is all about trial and error. And the most thing that I love about this room was the fact that I shopped this room on Facebook Marketplace. Now, I already had the fireplace, guys, and you know that I had that frame around the bed, but I have tried so many different things on that frame, so many wallpapers and different things, but I really love this toil print. It is absolutely beautiful. And I love that I found an Australian supplier who supplies the peel and stick wallpaper. Now, I'll leave their Instagram for you down below. This is not a sponsored video, guys. It's just I happened to type in toil peel and stick wallpaper on Google, which led me to this Instagram page, and I can't recommend that company enough.
'Cause no one else can make me love like you. You give me strength, Lord, I finally know where I belong.
The whole world is white, there's snow everywhere from the storm last night. Winter is here, blue jays are watching the children's play on this bright and wonderful Christmas day. It's so cold outside, we're staying in here by the fireside. I think I can hear far in the distance how sleigh bells play on this bright and wonderful Christmas day. It's a wondrously slow and golden Christmas day. When the sun...
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when shopping on Facebook Marketplace to update your home for Christmas.
Every moment as hours go by, holding your head in the dive.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back next week, guys, for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.